I'll be talking about organic chemistry tips and strategy, what you should do. Many of you had asked me that you are facing problems in organic chemistry, and after so long, I am finally here with the video. So let's start without wasting any further time. So first thing that you are weak in organic is because your GOC is weak. Now you can't let me even before they talking about GOC, let me tell you that some students, what they do is that they think that if they're not able to do organic, then they try to like say that they will skip organic, but ऐसे नहीं होगा. But because organic comprises of your whole J paper का 10% and 30 to 33% of the chemistry section. So you can understand how important organic is and you can't skip it. Okay. So the main reason why you face problem in organic is because of GOC, weak GOC. GOC comprises of IUPAC, isomerism and other topics as well. But अगर आपकी GOC weak है, then you will not be able to survive in organic because that's the backbone of organic, and you have to make your GOC strong howsoever you do. If you are going in a coaching and you are in class 11, so refer to any YouTube videos or do whatsoever, do a book, whatever you feel you can do to make your GOC strong, and then फिर 11th में जो भी पढ़ाया जा रहा है उसके साथ पेस पे चलो, सर के साथ जो भी पढ़ाया जा रहा है उसे करो. If you are in 12th, then you have no other option rather than but to you have to only first make your GOC strong, then only you can do the 12th topics. Otherwise आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा कि क्या हो रहा है, because GOC is very very important. Next thing is that it is just like maths and physics. In physics, if you don't know vectors, you cannot understand anything. So in mechanics or whatsoever topic you are doing, you're not be able to understand anything because vectors are so important in physics. In a similar way, GOC is important. Like it's the backbone, it's the necessary topic which you need to do because without doing it, you'll not be able to move further in organic. Okay. So yeah, it's just like maths and physics. Next thing is that it has to be done in a sequential order. Like कि पहले जो 11th के चैप्टर्स हैं, जो GOC है और भी जो भी 11th के चैप्टर्स हैं उनको पहले पढ़ना है. उसके बाद आपको 12th के चैप्टर्स पढ़ना है, जो aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, whatever chapters are means. Just because you feel that उसको उनसे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन आते हैं, उनकी वेटेज ज़्यादा है, तो मैं 12th का पहले no, it's not like that because आपको समझ में ही नहीं आएगा if you are not able to understand what's the point of studying it. Okay, so first you need to make your 11th GOC, then 11th organic, then you need to go to the 12th organic. So that's how what I'm saying, it has to be studied in a sequential order. The next thing which I will say is that reaction mechanisms. Now you fear reaction mechanisms, you try to mark it up, but it's not like that. आपको समझना पड़ेगा. अगर आपको चीज़ समझ में आ रहा है तो आपको naturally और reaction mechanisms will start making sense to you. You will try to understand why the arrangement is happening, why the particular structure is stable, and whatever those things they are from the GOC section only. तो आपको reaction mechanisms naturally easier लगने लगेंगे. And one thing which I will give you for reaction mechanism, one tip that आप reaction mechanism समझो, उसके बाद आप उसको खुद से लिखो. ऐसा नहीं कि पूरा आप sentence लिख रहे हो, but with the arrows and everything you try to write it. And first time you might make mistakes, but over time you will try to remember. You will feel that reaction mechanisms are becoming. You are able to understand them, and they are no more topic to fear. Okay, so yeah, that's what I can say, that try and write and learn. And another thing for organic is which is very important is reaction. It's the revision of reactions. So you need to make a short reaction booklet which will be very very useful, which will be very very handy when you will the J exam will come near, like in October, November, when the exams are really around the corner. So that time it will be very very useful. It will be it's definitely important that you make a reaction booklet, and in which you write the reactions and revise organic like at least once in a week you need to revise it, whatever you studied initially. Revise that booklet a lot. Okay, because that booklet is separate and organic revision every week is separate. That is for your so that और सारे रिएक्शंस आपके पास एक जगह लिखे हुए हों और आप एक जब पास में आए तो आप उसे रिवाइज कर लो. बट आपने इस हफ्ते जो भी ऑर्गेनिक में पढ़ा और जो भी आप कर रहे हो उसको भी रिविजन टाइम टू टाइम करना ज़रूरी है. एंड इनिशियली आप देखोगे इट इज़ नेचुरल कि इनिशियली विल टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम फॉर रिवाइजिंग, बट ओवर टाइम you will see that it takes a lot less time to revise, and you will feel massive changes in your organic. I can assure you that. So have faith and like follow these steps, and you will definitely see your organic chemistry improving, and you will feel a lot more easier. It will be a lot more easier for you. Any other doubts, you can feel free to comment. I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and one request from my side: please like, please comment, and please subscribe to my channel, because it really motivates me a lot to make videos for you. Thank you so much for watching, and all the best from my side to everyone who is watching my video. Thank you so much.